Hello kids. Today we are going to see disposal of waste, compost, biogas, sanitary landfill. Okay? See disposal of waste. Disposal of waste. How to dispose the waste. Homes, offices, factories, and the construction sites generate a large quantity of garbage or waste, which is mostly dumped in an open space. This acts as a breeding ground for mice, rats, and other rodents and insects such as mosquito and cockroaches that spread diseases rapidly. It is therefore very important to dispose of waste in the correct manner. The proper disposal of waste is called waste management. In this picture here shown improper disposal of waste. Improper disposal of waste. Home, office and factories. Constructions, homes, offices, factories, construction sites generate large quantity of garbage waste, which is mostly dumped in open place. Look in this picture, which is mostly dumped in open spaces. Okay, this act as a breeding ground. This one dumped waste in open space, it acts as a breeding ground. It acts as a breeding ground for mice, rats, other rodents and insects. This open garbage acts as a breeding ground for the mice, rats, rodents, insects that such as mosquitoes, cockroaches, and they all spread the diseases rapidly. It is therefore very important to dispose of waste in correct manner. So we should dispose the waste in a proper manner, correct manner. The proper disposal of waste is called the waste management. Whatever our garbage is there, we dispose it in proper ways. That is called waste management. Now see compost. Leftover food, rotten vegetables, egg cells and other kitchen waste rot and decay slowly in the soil. During this process, they get converted into rich compost or by way of natural decomposition and the reaction of sunlight, rain, air, insects and the small animals that live in the soil. The process is called composting and generates a natural fertilizer that is excellent good for plant growth. Compost. Leftover food, rotten vegetables, egg cells and other kitchen waste rot and decay slowly in the soil. Leftover food, rotten vegetables, egg cells and other kitchen waste rot and decay slowly in the soil. During this process, in the decay, they get converted into rich compost, decaying by this one all. When decay is all thing, it convert into good rich compost by way of natural decomposition and the reaction of sunlight, rain, air, insects insects and small animals that live in the soil. For decaying, need air, rain, sunlight, insects and small animals that live in soil. They help us to decay the food, leftover food, rotten vegetables, egg cells. This process is called composting and generate a natural fertilizer. When it compost, it get converted into a good fertilizer, natural fertilizer. That is a very good, means excellent for plant growth. Understood, kids? Composting gives a natural fertilizer, and this fertilizer is a very good, excellent for plant growth. Activity: prepare a small chart with your thoughts and idea on caring for environment. Go green when gardening or farming. Save the environment. Its activity is there. Prepare small chart with thoughts and ideas on caring for the environment. Go green when gardening or farming. Save the environment. Now see biogas. What is biogas? In our side we are saying gobar gas. Saying no? You have in your house this biogas is also known as gobar gas, means cow dung gas, buffalo dung gas. The decaying of animal dung, kitchen wastes, vegetable wastes, sewage and farm waste produce a mixture of gases which can be used as an alternate means of fuel, that is cooking gas, electricity in a small amount. It is an effective way of reducing pollution since it makes use of waste which is generated regularly. Biogas is also known as gobar gas or cow dung gas, buffalo dung gas. The decaying of animal dung, kitchen waste, vegetable wastes, savages and the farm waste produce a mixture of gases which can be used as an alternate means of fuel, that is cooking gas, electricity in small amount. It is an effective way to reduce pollution since it make use this of waste which is generated regularly. Look in this picture, kids. It is the gobar gas plantation, means plant. In this tank, the cow dung mixed with water and the whole mixture is left into again another one tank is there. It is the below the ground, under the ground, big one tank is there. Here the mixture goes from here to here, and here the mixture decayed. Mixture means vegetable waste, kitchen waste, cow dung waste, all goes into this one big one tank, and the gas is produced here, and the remaining waste will go from this way. This again tank is joined to this one, and the produced gas is used as a fuel which is we are using to cook the food. Now see sanitary landfill. It's a landfill. Sanitary landfill is a method of control the disposal of large quantities of the municipal solid waste refuse on land. The waste is first spread in thin layer and is then composed by heavy machinery. Several layers such as made up of compacted on the top and the one another. At the end of each day, the compacted refuse is covered with a layer of compacted soil to prevent the fuel odor. All modern landfill sites are carefully selected away from the residential area and the agricultural land. However, proper care has to be taken when preparing a landfill. Sanitary landfill is a method of controlled disposal of a large quantity of municipal solid waste on land. Municipal solid waste means it is a large quantity, not a one home, one house. It is not a one house waste. It is a whole cities, whole village waste. Sanitary landfill is a method of controlled disposal of a large quantities of municipal solid waste on land. The waste is first spread in a thin layer and is then composed by a heavy machinery. Several such layers are made compacted on the top of the one another. At the end of each day, the compacted refuse is covered with a layer of compacted soil to prevent the fuel odor, bad smell, to prevent the foul odor means bad smell. All modern landfill sites are carefully selected away from these all landfill sites are carefully selected away from the residential areas and agricultural land, because these are the place where the garbage is going to decay, and however proper care has to be taken when preparing a landfill. Stationary landfills is a method of controlled the disposal of large quantity of municipal solid wastes on land. So all landfills sites are carefully selected away from the residential area of agriculture lands. Understood, kids? Here our lesson over. In the next video, we are going to see the lesson revision and solving the exercise. Until you read the lesson carefully, learn the all new words and write down these all new words in your notebook. Understood, not kids? Thank you for watching the video.